Imagine stepping into your favorite game, feeling every pulse and living every adventure. Ready to transcend the screen and dive into the immersive universe of VR gaming? By the end of 2023, the VR gaming market is set to surpass $45 billion, marking a new era in interactive entertainment. Welcome, fellow gamers and tech enthusiasts. Today, we're not just playing games, we're stepping into them. Join me, Luke, as we embark on a thrilling journey into the realm of VR gaming, where the line between reality and the virtual world blurs. The magic of VR gaming. The evolution from 2D to 3D and now to VR. The unparalleled immersion. Feel the adrenaline, experience the environment, and become the protagonist. Top VR gaming experiences. Action. Half-Life. Alyx. Dive into the iconic universe of Half-Life like never before. Adventure. The Elder Scrolls V Skyrim VR. Explore the vast landscapes and battle dragons in a whole new dimension. Horror. Resident Evil 7. Biohazard. Experience horror up close if you dare. Sports. Beat Saber, slice dice, and dance to the rhythm in this electrifying VR sensation. Live demo session. Strap on the headset and immerse into a live gameplay session, showcasing real-time reactions and the depth of VR immersion. The tech behind the magic. Headsets. Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, PlayStation VR, comparing the giants of VR gaming. Motion tracking. How VR captures your every move and translates it into the game. Soundscapes. 3D audio that places you right in the heart of the action. Challenges in the future. Motion sickness, addressing the elephant in the room and how developers are working to combat it. Accessibility, a drive to make VR gaming more affordable and widespread. Beyond gaming, how VR is expanding into other realms like education, training, and cinema. Tips for new VR gamers. Safety first, ensuring a clear play area to avoid real-world collisions. Taking breaks, the importance of resting your eyes and mind. Exploring genres, VR offers a plethora of experiences. Don't limit yourself. The world of VR gaming is vast, immersive, and waiting for you to dive in. If this journey sparked your curiosity, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech universe. Until next time, keep gaming, keep exploring, and stay limitless.